Welcome to this tutorial in which I will be guiding you on how to configure router RIP dynamic routing protocol in Cisco Packet Tracer. As shown in this design, the network will consist of 3 different networks. In our first step, we will set up the design of the network. On your router, don't forget to add the WIC-2T-port serial high-speed 1 interface card, which is used for supporting wide area network. In our next step, we'll configure the routers. Double-click on router 0 and click on the CLI tab to open the console or the command line. Configure the IP address as well as the subnet mask for the interface that connects to the switch, as well as the serial interface that connects to the other router. Repeat these steps to configure router 1, and don't forget to change the IP address and subnet mask for the third network. In our next step, we will configure the PCs. Double click on PC 0, click on the config tab, and at the gateway, select static DNS and configure the IP address. Click on the interface, first Ethernet, then input the IP address as well as the subnet mask for that interface. Repeat the steps for PC1, PC2 as well as PC3. And don't forget that PC2 and PC3 are on the third network. In our fourth step, we will now configure router RIP on both router 0 as well as router 1. Follow these steps to configure router RIP on both router 0 as well as router 1. Also, don't forget to save the running configuration to the startup configuration. Now that we have already configured the network successfully, it's time to try and test our network and see whether you can be able to send a packet from network from a PC, and see whether you can be able to send a packet from a PC on network 1 to network 3. As the simulation shows, our router 0 can be able to forward packets from PC 0 to PC 2 on the third network. This clearly shows that our router RIP configuration has been successful and all the computers within the network can be able to connect and reach each other. I really hope you have enjoyed and followed this short tutorial on how to configure router RIP on Cisco Packet Tracer. Thank you for watching.